Hi, hello, welcoming all. In this lecture, we're gonna learn about the how to create the window family. In the previous section, we have understood we explored about the creation of the dove family. Now, in this session, we're gonna learn about the Windows family, how to create. So, in order to once again, you go to the families, new type. You select the template. You need to find the metric window and you select on the click on the metric window and click on the open. Okay, now the same in the previous vision, like the door has the same the exterior and the interior, the same way as here as well. The window also having the exterior as well as the interior part. Okay, so if I go to the 3D view, you have these kinds of model. If you want, you can just enable the fine view, go to the realistic, you can have these kinds of view. Okay, so now I'll go to the I'll go to the reference plane, or maybe I'll go to the 3D itself. Now I want to add the window frame for this. Okay, in order to add the window frame, what the tool I am supposed to use, that is the sweep. Okay, yeah, so now I'll go to the select on the pick a path. I'll go to the click on this. I need to select the 4 sides path here, 1 second 3 and the 4. After the finishing clicking the path, I need to click on the OK. Now once the path has been created, now I need to define the style and which style you want to create the path. I'll go to the edit profile. Now I'll go to the reference plane. Now I'll simply select the drawing tool as like I want to add the maybe I say which is exterior, that is exterior. I select this way. I add the frame as 25 mm. I select somewhat this way and the 35. Okay, clear. Click on OK. Now I'll go to the 3D view. This is how the frame has been the profile has been selected. Now simply click on the OK. Now by default, once I hit the click, you have these kinds of the frame which is going to create this. So you can go to look at here, right? See. Okay, now I want to add the shutter for this. Okay, now I'll go to the back. Now I'll go to the create. I'll go to the extrusion. Now I need to select the the plane. Now I need to pick a plane. Okay, I need to select the plane. Now I select the which the drawing tool you want. You can select the drawing tool as the rectangular. Now I'll simply enable the wireframe just for ease of drawing utility. Closing this way, I'm selecting and closing the OK. Now I'll go to the reference plane. Now you can able to notice that by default the extrusion end has the 250 mm, so I don't want to do that much. I'll take, or maybe I'll insert till here. Once again I make the alignment to this way. Now I'll go to the 3D view. Maybe now I'll enable the realistic. Now I'll enable the fine view. Okay, see here, now the frame has been just now added. So now if you want, you can just change the material to the glass, or maybe if you let me do one thing, I'll go to the reference plane. Let me change the frame material. So I'll go here. Maybe I'll add the new, rename this as the window frame. Okay, enter. Now I'll go to the assign. I simply select on the physical appearance library, go to the wood, maybe whichever the wood you want, you can let me select as a cherry. Okay, close. Now I'll go to the 3D view. This is how it looks. Here the frame has been changed now. So now the inside the frame I have added the panel. Let me do one thing, I reduce the thickness this way. Okay, for this I just wanted to add the material as the glass. Go to the change, you add the material as the glass, click on the OK. Now you'll go to the 3D view. See here, the look has been changed now. So you have the profile in such a way, in between this you have the glass. So however you want, you can just customize the window. Let me save first this. I save this family, save as family, go to the desktop, window family. I simply save this way. Okay, window family I have saved. Now I'll go to the 3D view. Now I want to add the window family here, so let me go to the the window. I'll select on the window. Now I'll go to the edit type. Now load the family, the window family. Okay, click on open. Okay, now you add the window wherever you want. See here, same way. If you go to the level 2 or level 1, go to the window family. See here, you can add the window the same way. You can add here as well, here, wherever you want you can add the window. Okay, now I'll go to the 3D view of this, not this. Yeah, now you can able to notice the other window has been added. Now basically in the 3D view I have added these kind of windows. That's the reason it's been the level seal height is taken as the different. This is 989. I'll make this still as 989.2, the same. Apply. Okay, now all are in the same line. So see here, right? If you want still furthermore, if you want to you want to customize the window, you can do according to your requirement, according to your design, how you want. So basically these families are very important in terms of using it in the our particular, say by default you have some standard limitations to customize the families, but when you are making from the scratch and creating it as the new family, then you can use it wherever you want according to your requirements. Okay, so hope you understood the concept of the window family creation as well. So you explore the same in your projects, and you'll understand much. So let's catch up in the next module.